Hello viewers, this is your host G. Rufi and you are watching our episode 1 of Season 1. Before we go ahead, let's watch together a short video regarding our today's product. Welcome back. You've been watching Mongol Bow. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Mongolia is a country which is located in the south of Russia and north of China. Archaeologists have found evidences of archery in this region, which dates back around 85,000 years. In 13th century AD, Genghis Khan started invading other countries to expand his empire. His empire stretched across Eurasia from Sea of Japan in the east and Central Europe in the west, and from Siberia in the north to Indian subcontinent. And to achieve this goal, the main product which he had, the main weapon which he had, was Mongol bow. So let me present this Mongol bow to you. Okay, this is the most gorgeous and dangerous weapon that he had. There are two major categories of archery equipment, the traditional one and the modern. This is made of 7 precisely and professionally crafted pieces. It's a pure calculated mechanical equipment in which all the energy rises from this part here, which is called the riser. When a bowler or an archer shoots an arrow, the energy flows from here to the arrow and it flies. Now, this riser here is a static part which is connected with the limb in a V-cut shape from here. This is the second part or the second piece. When it goes, and at the recurve point, there's another static piece which connects with the final one. So there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Likewise, if you go on the other side of the riser, this is the other limb and then the 2 static parts. The only flexible part in this setup is this one, which is called the limb. If you look at it from this side here, you will see a protruding part here. This one is called the string bridge. The responsibility of the string bridge is to avoid the string from being slipped off either side of the bow.
This is the notch here, which is called the knock, this point, and it retains the string within it. And this is on the both sides, definitely. Now if you look at this bow, and I'm holding it like this. This part here is the front of the bow, which is towards the target or the person standing in front of me. And this part here, which is facing me, which has the string, is called the belly. It is very important that we should know the distance between the riser and the string, the center of the string. You see, if you look at this, you place your fist, closed fist here, and extend your thumb. This is almost 15 to 16 centimeters, which is about 6 inches. But it has, the more, if it is less than that, it is likely that if a bowler will shoot a bow, it may can strike here on the wrist, and it can hurt. So it is very important that the distance between the bow and the string, which is called the brace height, should be more than 6 inches. Mostly it is like 9 inches, 9.5 inches, like that. Let's talk about the string. The string is made of nylon. In olden days, it was made by biocomposite materials and like tendons as well. But the problem with the tendons was that with the temperature, and also if it was wet, it would change the properties and the quality of the string. Okay, when you take the string off the bow, you see it takes a backward curve, and this curve is the quality of the bow, which tells you how good a bow is. And this is the distance between this knock to this knock, which tells you the complete length of the bow. There are bows, if you unstrung them, it can take a complete curve. Now you see, I've got a bow which is unstrung and the one which is strung. It's a complete bow. The string has been taken off from this one. So to compare, I just place it over the riser so that you can see the distance between this one, this knock, and this knock here. It is almost 13 to 14 inches. And you see, the more curve it takes, the bigger the distance after unstrunging the bow, the better is the performance of the bow, because the flexibility will definitely be much more. Okay, a very important questions regarding the strength or the draw length and draw weight of a bow. See, if I tell you about this, the draw weight is basically the strength, the pressure or the strength required to pull this string. Being a manufacturer of the bows, I would like to let you know that we can prepare a bow from 15 to 150 pounds draw weight. And definitely once the draw weight increases, the size and the flexibility here increases, the thickness of the end parts increases, and of course you need more strength to pull it. Okay, regarding the draw length, to calculate the draw length, it's basically, as a rule of thumb, the distance between your middle finger, the tip of your middle finger, to the tip of the other middle finger. If you stretch it all the way, this is almost the height of a person. And if you divide that by 2.5, you will get the draw length. Now if I pull it, and you can see that, at the same time you can see all the curves of the bows, how they are changing. And being this static part, you will see this and this won't change, but all the flexibility will be seen here in the limb and of course in the string. So it's if you look at it, I'll draw it, I'll pull it, and you can see how the position is being changed. And then it goes back. And this flexibility is the performance of the bow itself. Okay guys, the one which is in my hand is a Mongol bow with the leopard skin. We can produce custom bows in any type of skin you want. It could be snake skin, leopard skin, ibex, or anyone, the way you want it. This one is secured here with the leather and wrapped with the tied with the white laces. And we've got this one which is in black leather and with the black laces, both. The way you want it, we can provide you any kind of skin as well. And we've got other accessories that may be required. This one is the glove, the finger glove, which protects your fingers while you're shooting. This is the arm guard. With the, you can see it's matching the leopard skin here, the both. And we've got this is the retainer, the carrier for the bow itself. And there are so many other accessories and gadgets that may come with this, according to your wish and orders. Okay, now we have this bow. I want to show you the leather wraps here. You see, it's the riser is wrapped here and secured with leather laces. In the same fashion, your riser and this static part is leather wrapped. But to secure this leather wrap, we have laces on the inside or on the belly side of the bow. This leather is, it could be a cow or sheep leather, but being and this, you know, we have a guard that you wear, which is matching with the leather wrap on the bows. This will protect you while you're wearing it. If you're wearing it, it will protect your hand from being hurt by the arrow when it moves. And you've got a finger gloves while you're shooting. You see it is matching with the color of the bow itself. But if you need, like here, if you have a bow with a leopard skin, you may have the guard and the glove with the same skin. So it can be arranged any skin, any theme you want to have. We as a woodman can produce that for you. This is actually a very rare piece of bow, because this African leopard is, you know, it's a rare animal, and it is in most of the countries they don't allow you to do this. But if you have the permissions from your authorities and country, well, we can do that for you. That's not a problem. Okay, friends. Good for now. I hope you benefited with this video. And if you did, please don't forget to confirm your liking by pressing the appropriate icon or button.
and subscribe the channel to receive timely intimations for our new informative videos. To place your orders, on great archery equipment, you may visit our website. Thank you very much.